What advice do you give your daughters for managing stress?
Ooh, that's a really good question. They are 23, both have graduated from college and are in and are employed.
Whoa.
Yay!
My cortisol just went down.
I know. It's fantastic. I think what they have carried forward is that they need to draw boundaries for themselves so they can take care of what they need to do to keep that baseline low so they can do a good job.
That's great. Boundaries is so important. My
Mhm.
daughters are younger than yours. And I think households today, again, social media with the rapidity, the volume and the velocity of life, we're all dealing with, I don't know if it's a full-blown anxiety, but some type of stressors that feel new. We recall our
Yeah.
childhood and gosh, it didn't look like this, but
That's
the
because it's not like it was when we were a
that's
kid.
right. But I think
Um,
boundaries is a through line and a common thread that
Absolutely.
over time, whether it's decades ago or not, when I had hair, that is a mechanism, to be able to govern and understand how to manage that stress.
Absolutely.